Tuan di daerah kan untuk di wani. Okey. Ada pernah itu kesenong dengan dia. Ada pernah kesenong kedin kok. Korbatia ni sini. Oh, kok kapten. Ni kan kena orang pasnom ulik tang orang pasnom teh kata. Kena kala. Kumno kunta. Biar. Halo, baik sudah. Kumno kini kiawan sini haba ngila effort but piro bot nyawan sisa sini nakaslong menyelik. Nyawan nakaslong kin sawan situ kin sa pansip ya sa baro. Kino ila ahon sisa kaslong dai kumot baro kipat ba kila ahon. Isa wala nang kila ahon kila abet.
Wadam sa kiatang menda ki. Kan ba? Bila era bisa kontrol dah. Menilai simrai ka.
No. Boy books memang kamu.
Happy with the guest. Nobody is happy actually.
Both sides not happy. Karbi people also didn't happy because when they bring something commercial,
Since you are in the since you are in administration,
when they
the people of Meghalaya, Karbi are not in that tribal also. They are not non-tribal. We have a tribal relationship with them as well. So they have, we are staying together in Shillong. We've been living together. But when it comes to border issues, who instigate? It's always the administration, not your administration. I would say the Council of Karbi Anglong. So this is the problem that happened again and again because why they know this. The regional committee of both the states are actually coming to the phase 2 to settle up the boundary issue. And 1951 of the notification of the so-called governor of Assam, back then we were in Assam, so that has to be quashed because why Block 1, Block 2 belongs to Meghalaya. So that's on the high level. I'm just telling you so you to know some knowledge about what's happening around both states.
I know this 1951 documentation, I know all about.
We'll have to speak about it. So that's on the high level.
The main thing is, ma'am, to remove the
as long that is there,
the police from here.
remove both policemen and the
actually, ma'am, we waiting. The both side government they only initiative to solve the border issue, but we waiting for that.
Gradually, I'm very sure.
So as of now, we don't want to see from